Welcome to the USD 383 Summer STEM Template video. In this video, we're going to explore the Summer STEM template and talk about all the ways in which you can personalize this template to make it your own and to work well for your class. The first thing you'll notice when you log into your Summer STEM class is that you'll have this template on your home page. We are requesting that you use this home page for every one of your classes in Summer STEM so that your students will know how to navigate your class, no matter whose class they go to. There are things that you can do to customize this page, though, to make it your own. To customize this page, the first thing you're going to do is click Edit. When you click Edit, you can change the name of your course by selecting this text and changing it. You can change this image by uploading a new image here under Images, or choose any of the images that may already be uploaded for you, though I don't believe there are very many. You can upload the text here, or change the text here. In fact, I highly recommend you change the text here because this is just some Latin filler. And give them an introductory welcome message about what it is that your course is about. You could put links here, a video here, whatever you'd like to do. And then here are the links that we would like you to use. We'd like every course to have the same setup, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, along with a Meet Your Teacher and a message board if you want one. You do not have to have a message board. If you choose not to have a message board, you can simply select this and delete it. If you would like to have that message board and you accidentally deleted it, that's okay. If you change anything on here and you decide you hate it, that's okay. You can still click Save. You don't have to click Cancel if you get here and you realize you've done something you didn't want to do. You can go back up to the front, 3 dots. You can view page history, and you can restore a previous version. So now you'll see that my course is back the way it was prior to. So now what do I link this to? Well, this is set up to use with modules, but you can use it with anything you'd like. If you choose to use day 1 content with modules, you will create a day 1 module in Modules. To do that, you click plus module. You give your module a name, like day 1. And then you can add content to your module. You can add all of the fillers for your module here and then go back in and fill it in. From here, you can add in files, pages, discussions, texts, external URLs, and even external tools. If you would decide to add an external URL, it's going to come up and ask you to put in that web address here, give it a name that you'd like it to be called, and then I always recommend you click Load in a new tab. It just is cleaner and makes things easier for everybody. After you have that module created, you're going to go back to your home page. You're going to click Edit again on your template home page. You're going to find your day 1 content, select it, highlight the whole picture, and then over here where it says Modules on the right-hand side, you're going to click that, and then you're just going to click day 1. Now you'll notice that that is linked to day 1 module. There is another way to do this. So I'm going to click Cancel and show you the other way that you can do this. When you click on Modules and you click on day 1 module, you can select the URL at the top of the screen. I'm going to bring my recording up a little bit so you can see what I'm talking about. The URL up here, you can click this, copy it, and then go back to your home page and do the same thing, editing it, selecting the picture that you'd like to be the link, clicking Link to URL, and pasting the link right in there. And then you click Insert Link, and it will take you to Modules. It will take you directly to that day's module. I'm going to save that. Oh, I have to set a date because I added it to students to do, but I don't want it to add it to students to do list. I don't want students touching this, so I'm going to click save. Although if you do add it to students to do, then students can update this page for you. Okay, so that is your home page in a nutshell. Other pages that come along with this template that you can customize if you choose, click on pages and then view all pages. And you'll notice that you have a few different things. One of them is how to customize your home page. Under here, I've set up how to customize your home page banner and what you need to save those files at and how to do that. I've also given you access to the buttons if you'd like to change the way those buttons look for your course. And then I also show you how you can customize your text as well. And if you're comfortable with HTML, you can do a little bit more, such as adding in these tabs at the top. But that might be a little bit further from where we want to go for just this summer course. So perhaps in the school year we can work on that. Other pages that you have access to change, if you choose to use them, and you don't have to, is a Meet Your Teacher. It can be nice to have this information readily available for your students so that they know how to get in touch with you and know a little bit about you, especially since you will be working primarily online. You'll have a class overview. So this will tell students what your class is and what your learning objectives are, what your expectations are. And, you know, I don't believe we're grading summer STEM, but if you were, what that would look like. And then the final one is your class resources. So this may be a place where you put any text links or things like that that you'd like students to have access to throughout the course, but that aren't necessarily a part of any of your modules. And you'll notice that all of those are a part of this first module, Welcome to Class, Your Journey Begins Here. If you choose not to use any of these modules with students, that's no problem at all. You can just simply unpublish that module and your students will not be able to see it. In fact, I want to show you that right now. If I click on my home page, on the right-hand side, I have what's called Student View. Now that I'm in Student View, I can go to that module. Oh, excuse me, I can't because my modules are hidden. I have to go through it this way to that module. Oh, I can't. It's not going anywhere because I don't have any published modules. So let me leave the student view. So you'll notice I can't access anything because I have no published modules. But I'm going to show you that that's true by publishing that module and then doing that again. So now that module is published. So I'm going to go back to my home page. And I'm going to go back to student view. And now I'm going to click there and you'll see that it takes me to modules and it takes me only to what I have published. Anything else I do not have published is not visible to my students. So make sure if you want your students to see it that you publish it, and that if you don't want students to see it that you can unpublish it. And you can unpublish the whole module and everything underneath that module just by unpublishing that module. That's it for this overview and tutorial. If you have further questions, I look forward to answering them tomorrow during our Zoom. And I look forward to helping you get your STEM course off the ground. Have a great day.